This is Jacob showing off my final project for advanced microcontroller applications at Montana Tech. For my project, what I've created is a remote controller for a Roomba 600 series. Contents of my project are a MSP 430 G2553 that is interpreting analog inputs from a joystick. Those inputs are then sent over UART to a Node MCU ESP8266, and then again those signals are being sent over a TCP server wirelessly to a Raspberry Pi 3. The Pi 3 is then interpreting those commands and then sending them again over UART to the Roomba 600 series, and then the whole thing is made portable by a battery pack here.